In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable minimize to system tray in Thunderbird. If your Thunderbird window seems to vanish when you hit the minimize button and only lives as a tiny icon near the clock, this is the setting that controls that behavior. Turning it off keeps Thunderbird visible on your taskbar, which makes it easier to bring back with a single click. Start by opening Thunderbird on your computer. Once it's up, look to the top right corner of the window for the menu button. It looks like three horizontal lines stacked on top of each other, sometimes called the hamburger menu. Click that to open the main menu. From that menu, choose Settings. This opens Thunderbird's configuration area in a new tab within the app, so you don't have to leave what you're doing. Inside Settings, make sure you're on the General section. If you're already there, great. This is where Thunderbird groups a lot of everyday behavior and system-related options. Scroll through the general page until you find the section labeled System Integration. This area controls how Thunderbird interacts with your operating system, including notifications, default mail handling, and how the window behaves when minimized. It's the right place to adjust whether Thunderbird moves to the system tray. In System Integration, look for the option that says, when Thunderbird is minimized, move it to the tray. To disable that behavior, simply uncheck the box next to it. As soon as you uncheck it, the change is applied. There's no separate Save button to click. If the box is already unchecked, then you're all set. The feature is already turned off. From now on, when you minimize Thunderbird, it will remain on your taskbar instead of tucking itself into the tray. This can be especially helpful if you switch between apps a lot and prefer to see your email client alongside your other open windows. A couple of quick notes to keep things smooth. On some systems, especially macOS where the system tray works differently, this option may not appear. That's normal and just reflects how the operating system handles minimized apps. If you don't see the system integration section at all, make sure you're running a recent version of Thunderbird since settings layouts can change between versions. Also, if you use third-party extensions that modify window behavior, they might override this preference. Disabling or updating those add-ons can restore the expected behavior. And that's it. You've adjusted a single preference to keep Thunderbird on the taskbar when minimized, making it faster and more predictable to get back to your inbox.